Hi, today we will learn how to backup and restore data in Tally.Prime. It is recommended that you take a regular backup of your company data to safeguard against any form of data loss. This way, you can be prepared for any adverse event such as a virus attack, a hard drive crash, and so on. Using Tally.Prime, you can easily take a backup of your company data and restore it whenever needed. You can also use the backup feature to move your data to another computer or share it with your accountant or auditor for verification. Sharing the backup of the data is a much more reliable method than directly copying the company data folders. It is recommended that you backup your data in a location that is separate from the original. For example, a different drive on the computer, a pen drive, a hard disk, and so on. You can even store this data on a cloud location and access it easily. Configure data path. Tally.Prime provides you with the flexibility to set the default paths for your data and backup and change it whenever required without affecting the data. These paths will be set as default for all the companies maintained in this version. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Alt plus Y, select data path configuration, select the data path and data backup path as required. Again, go to the gateway of Tally, select Alt plus Y, select backup to open the backup company screen. Select the required company or select all items to backup all the companies. Press enter to proceed. The backup file will be stored in the backup path as tbk 900 underscore 10,000.001. If there is any conflict of data in the selected folder, you will have the option to either overwrite the older version or choose a different location or file name. Restore company data. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Alt plus Y, select Restore to open the Restore Company screen. Select the required company or select all items to restore all the companies. Press enter to proceed. If you are using Tally.Prime server, then you can schedule a backup of your data. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.